Alright guys, this is going to be an unboxing. And a cat trying to get in the box. I used Walmart again for my stuff. I gotta adjust this camera so it gets everything. There we go. But yeah, I use Walmart again because it's just easier to have some delivered to my home. And let's see. This is a gift I got my daughter for her birthday. She likes Naruto Shippuden. And this one's 13. She is going to be thrilled to see this Tuesday. She'll be 17. I can't believe 17. Oh my god. The cat is excited. I got toilet paper. Now, I got 2 things of Karo syrup. A Dawn. Oh my goodness. Anchovy paste. Oh, I got 2 of them. Okay. And pain reliever. 2 bottles. Now, 1 bottle will go in the SHTF box, and 1 will go out in the kitchen. But I'm going to make Worcestershire sauce. And yeah, I got cat food not going in the SHTF box, and puppy pads. Now, I've got to move this in the cat, but we're going to make Worcestershire sauce this month. And that is going to be cool. I've got malt vinegar. I got more stuff coming. If I'm right. Oh my lord. I do not know these scales were going to make it here today. I thought they weren't going to be here until a few days. Anyway, the reason I got food scales is, well, Tony's been wanting to set, and I'm watching all these people make sourdough bread. It's like, I would like to get better at making bread. And really, weighing stuff is the best way to do it. Oh, wait a minute. Oh! Okay, these are my... I did not get these at Walmart. I got these through 7th Avenue. Made in China. Are you fucking kidding me? Anyway, they're cast iron pans. That's why I didn't think the food scales was going to be that heavy. Cast iron, yeah, that's always heavy. I got a good deal on them, so we'll keep. Seriously, they put this one thing in this box. Why? I don't get it. Anyway, I will say I'm not real thrilled with the condition the box was in. But it is what it is. It's here. I do have a couple books coming. I'm getting the Iron Mountain report and Pawns in the Game. Those are 2 books I really feel is essential for people to read, to fully understand what is going on in our government. You do know I'm throwing this box away, right? Yeah. Whoops. Well, I'm going to get rid of these boxes before she shreds them or tries to shift the dog out. This is my Walmart haul. I got 2 more things coming. And I will see you guys later. Alright guys, these are the 2 things that came today out of what we talked about. This is tamarind paste. I'm going to need to do the Worcestershire sauce. This is Pawns in the Game by William Guy Carr. And it has some things in the back where he received FBI files where they were watching him. Yeah, imagine that one. I cannot wait to get into that book and share it with you. Alright, I got 2 more shipments coming. Got Pawns in the Game, tamarind paste, bread, not a part of the shipment, or the other bread, not a part of the shipment. But I'll see you guys later. Hello guys, this is Tracy, and I have another unboxing. And I'm hoping this is part of, what in the hell kind of war did this go through? Yeah, this went through a war or something, I don't know. But the Laffy Taffies, they are to go in our SHTF box.
Why?
Comfort food.
Okay.
So that means I have a few things left. A book, report from the Iron Mountain. I have ground cloves, allspice, and food scales still to arrive. Yeah, this is probably going to be a long video when I put it together. Alright guys, these are the 2 things that came today out of what we talked about. This is tamarind paste. I'm going to need to do the Worcestershire sauce. This is Pawns in the Game by William Guy Carr. And it has some things in the back where he received FBI files where they were watching him. Yeah, imagine that one. I cannot wait to get into that book and share it with you. Alright, I got 2 more shipments coming. Got Pawns in the Game, tamarind paste, bread, not a part of the shipment, or the other bread, not a part of the shipment. But I'll see you guys later.